got me hypnotized. You make me realize, yeah. Just tell me, baby, who's up by your side? 'Cause every day and night, I'm about to lose my mind.
I just came downstairs. Actually, I just got kicked out of my own bedroom. Sydney's up there having her concert. And I came downstairs and these were all lined up. All of her Barbie shoes and handbags and drinks and sunglasses. It's a whole thing. I'm not going to touch them. They're her things. But that is why this table has to have very little and always kept clean, because all of her things are always here. But you know, I don't care. I'm sitting here at the table drinking my coffee. Hubby just came in from his me time shopping with all the things, right? So far, some sweet onion and hot sausage. So we like to do the cheese and spinach raviolis, and I like to, you know, if I don't make the sauce like I had to do last week because we didn't have this one, which is like my fave now. The peppers in there are so big. It's so good. So I'm loving that. And then he bought some fancy Ritz. Roasted garlic and savory onion. Oh my goodness. Does Sydney eat these? Yeah, I don't know, she'll eat them. He probably bought them more from me. Oh, he bought these. Oh my goodness. Chicharrones. Yeah. And let me see. Oh, he got her mac and cheese. I'm still sitting down because I'm not done my coffee yet. Oh my goodness. Some oatmeal, some cola champagne. He got these for me. I like to eat pork and beans with my hot dogs. I had some yesterday too. Oh, he bought these, which is going to force me to make my own. So, but yes on that. We'll try them and see how they rock. Oh, he went to Wawa. He did not get me any creamer because I have one in there. Some cereal is rocking. Okay, I see Hershey's food sticking up. And he got some other things over there. So, and he already put some things away. He be moving quick. Oh my goodness. Okay, so girl, oh my goodness. I can't even explain it. And this is on me. I can't even put it on hubby this time because I put these things in here and just kept piling them up, right? So the cereals, I just had to straighten them out because I just showed you he bought 2 more cereal boxes, the Fruit Loops and the Apple Jacks, right? So I was like, oh my goodness, there's not enough room. Wait, let me show you. So all of these were up there, right? So a couple expired a couple months ago, never opened, right? And then the other ones have like a teeny tiny bit left and should have been in the trash a long time ago. So girl, I'm gonna empty it and smash the boxes. But oh my goodness. And it happens. We just weren't eating it fast enough. You know what I mean? So, and then hubby with the sales. So I need to straighten this out a little bit. I'm going to just do it quick and fast. But I needed you to see the before craziness in here. And I need to put all of these in something because now it looks a hot mess up there. Oh, I don't have the Phillies. I have the Eagles. So the next time I go to Dollar Tree, I need to pick the Phillies up like I need it, but I need it. But yeah, I need to put because it looks sloppy. It's not neat and orderly like I like it. So, girl, oh my goodness, the liquid IV is up there. All the things, right? So, look at that. What is happening? Where can I stand? Oh my goodness. And this is another thing. You know, I don't like boxes. I'll take things out of the boxes. So it's a lot of boxes. You know what I mean? It's a whole thing. Now, I was about to put these up on the top, right? I look up to put them up. It's like 4 bags of chips up there already, not open. Adios, mío. So I've been at it for about 45 minutes or so, right? And oh my goodness, my anxiety level is way down now. I couldn't get in here. It was just too much. And I discovered it's like 85 boxes of maple and brown sugar oatmeal. Oh my goodness. Oh, I turned the bread box around. So you know, like we don't need it. We know what's in there, so we don't need the bread word showing, right? But yeah, so I'm gonna stop here and then I'll get back in here tomorrow morning, I guess, before work. But oh my goodness, I feel so much better. I wanted to show you all the boxes over here before hubby or Kara crushes them, right? Miss Girl, these were all from the one side. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'll get back in there in the morning. Good morning. I'm back. So, oh my goodness. I did stick it was 2 bags, right? I did stick one up there. The other one wouldn't fit. It's on the floor. Oh my goodness. And these clips right here, I love them. We use them. But that is sloppy and I can't even believe I did that. So, yeah, it's not insane. I just need to straighten things out. You know what I mean? Boxes not straight and yeah, so but I got to get it together. Oh no, I lied. Oh my goodness. I put both bags down here because they couldn't fit up top, so they just chillaxing on top of the sodas. Oh my goodness. New day. I've been working on this a little bit at a time because of the timing, right? You know what I mean? So, of course, I'm before work. So I said, let me do a little bit more. And I pulled out this bin. I don't even know or remember what was in here. This is usually like the little bags of stuff. I forgot these were in here. Oh my goodness. They don't expire till December. Okay, cool in the gang. The organic rice cake minis, apple pie. I think New York Rick got me into this, and I didn't even open them. Oh my goodness. These that hubby bought, right, from his me time shopping, I don't like them. Probably because they're plain, like they need to be barbecue or something, which I just picked up some from the Dollar Tree and things. So, oh, these are some sour cream and onions. The tostones that I grabbed from DT just so I could try. I forgot. All right, I'm going to just go through it and see. Ow! This was that microwave popcorn that I had gotten a couple months ago. Oh, it's not expired. Good. I got it so that me and Sid could try it because that's my popcorn girl, popping cobs. That's what it said at the top. I just thought it was interesting. That weird kind of, you know, it looks like a corn on a cob. Oh my goodness. So yeah. Oh, yes on that. All right. So I'm going to empty this, refill it, and put it back. I'm in here finishing up. I'm almost done the top shelf, right? Why did I just find a turny turn? Miss Girl, it was on top of this white bin up here. So yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I think I'm good to go. The girls' lunch bags go on top of these black chargers when they come home from school. All of my reusable bags are in here, all the fun ones from the Dollar Tree, and some paper bags sometimes if the girls go on a school trip. You know, the lunch goes in the paper bag, right? And yeah, so some of my books, the chips up there are in order. That hubby got more chips for the me time shopping, right? So yeah, oh, I decided to put all of the clips in Hershey's dog bowl because we don't use it. So we use like the riser bowls. So yeah, this is perfect. Eat up. Right, some new caramel sauce and milk chocolate sauce I just grabbed from the Dollar Tree. Yes, on that. My turny turn of I've been stocking up on all of the, you know, flavor orders and things, right? So yes on that, the liquid IV, and then some of these from the Dollar Tree. So one of you told me I need to hit Dollar General because they're $1 there. I forgot about that. So yes on that, right? All of this is still rocking. It's still the same right down here, right? All of that. And yeah, all right, now we're organized. I found this up there in the container, the syrup, the Aunt Jemima though, because you know they changed the name. So I kept it, I washed it out because, yeah, it's been since childhood. So I didn't want to get rid of it. And I think I had the box of pancake mix too. and hubby threw it out by mistake. But I think I'm going to take it downstairs in a new space and put it up because that's, where all the things are happening. So, yes, on Aunt Jemima. So, yes, now all is good. I have less anxiety. I still need to throw something in the back there. Maybe another shelf. I don't know. But, yeah, so I'm good to go now. Yes.
I just wanna take a chance. The way you move it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I wish upon a well and I'ma take you to the moon. 'Cause I get lifted when you come around. I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing.
Hey guys, so I'm about to head out. I'm all ready to go. I put all my stuff to the side, right? I did my coffee, my bag, I did some eggs and everything. And I even put my jacket on because I have a few minutes, but I wanted to do a quick morning meeting. And then once I was done talking, I need to run out the door, right? So I took the girls to see Michael last night, right? And it was the early showing like I did when I went to Wicked, just because the weekend is really, really crowded and just whatever is going to be easier for the girls, right? So I was really excited about that. So we went and, people were dressed up and dancing and just, it was a good time. But so Kara was already a little bit off. She's very regimented. I can kind of get away with just going on the fly with Sydney, but Kara is I come home from school, I do this, I do this, I do this. So I had to switch it up, right? No snacks after school because dinner was going to be extra early. So let's take the snacks. I let her take her Pop-Tarts with us so it could be reversed. So almost like a dessert, right? So we did that, and Sydney's just go with the flow. That is my get in the car, come on mommy, let's go girl, right? So we got into the theater. I got the seats closer to the back just because Sydney likes to do all the things with her hands. I don't want her to be in anyone's way. I'm always very conscious of things like that. You know what I mean? Just because, well, let me get into what happened. So, oh my goodness. So there's dialogue and then there's music, right? So, we're jamming, but then there's some dialogue. So now the theater is silent, except for my girls. So Kara is humming, it's her sensory, it's her thing, right? So you can't really hear it if it's a lot of people, you can't hear it. But when it's quiet in a theater, you can hear it. So I did like this to Kara, and she was fine. You can't do that to Sydney. Remember the passport and the library situation with hubby? She's not rocking. Don't tell her to be quiet. It's going to be a whole thing. So I tried it anyway. And one, that was later. So when they were talking, Sydney was repeating what they were saying. So she was saying, whenever they're talking, like she was repeating what they were saying. So some were doing one of these and one of those. And of course, I am very, very conscious of that. So I know that my girls can only be in a certain situation, right? And I also know people pay money just like we did to sit in the theater and have the theater experience, right? So, I kind of bent down really quiet, right? My phone is like completely low, so it's not bright. And I'm texting hubby, like, I don't think we're going to be able to make it through. So, and then Sydney started talking more. So then it was like, she was like, be quiet, okay. And she's like yelling pretty much in the theater. So I'm like, oh, my baby, right? So I'm never going to not have them get the experience. So if we all needed to leave, then we all needed to leave, and I just go back and watch it myself. I can't worry about, I worry, but at the same time, I'm not going to worry. I can come back and see it another time, but I'm not going to not do the experience with my baby. So, yeah, it was no big deal. Hubby just happened to be coming home from work. So I texted him again. I said, I think you have to come and pick the girls up. So he was there. In 10 minutes, he was there. And in the meantime, I went, you know, the long hallway that you have to walk to get to the seats. We stood there so that the girls wouldn't continue to bother others. So I was still watching a movie, but in the hallway part of it, right? And then when he texted me and said, I'm here, I took the girls out. They was like, love you, mommy, bye. Like, to them, they saw the movie. They saw some music parts. Sydney was doing a thing. So to them, they went to the movies with mommy. And that was cool in the game, right? So that's what happened, girl. So that's what happened. So that is the morning meeting. And yeah, I'm going to catch my train. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye. Oh, wait. So I was able to get the popcorn buckets. Yes, on the gold. I wanted the hat, but it's not at my theater. So yes, on that. That's so cute, right? With the whole record and the gold and girl. Yes, on that. And yes, on the cup with Michael in the middle. So it worked out, but hands on the hips. But yeah, it was a very good time. And the girls, to them, they went to see Michael, right? So, all right, you guys, I'll see you on Sunday. Bye.